episode of Power to Table to Tummy cooking shows with Green Bronze Machine and the magic hands of Mr. Chef Bessie. I just finished harvesting from my tower garden. Look at all the amazing things you can grow in a tower garden. 5 plates bring me to 5 fingers. And today's recipe is going to be about this. Mouth-watering watermelon arugula salad. Caprese Insalata. Superfood strawberry salad. Always use that bear claw. Protect your fingertips. I always like when students crumble cheese in class instead of cut the cheese in class. Now we stick our hands in the salad and toss from the bottom and mix it all up. Mamma mia! Look at that big fresh basil! Goodness, it doesn't get any better than this.